Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today is the fourth day of this 3-day session. Unit 10, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, Rise of Urban Centers, Society and Economy. We have
Hello.
discussed Unit 10 today, 10, 11 and 12. Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, Rise of Urban Centers, Society and Economy. You must have observed that people around you speak same language, same festivals, same marriage customs, and food they cook is similar. So, signify the path of geography in Indian history. Each remember when we discussed the Vedic society, we did not talk about specific geographical regions. So this geographical space was separated from those of the other communities or Janapadas who might be friendly or hostile to them. Page number 257, that these Janapadas characterized by cohesion inside and separation from the outside world. So the Vedic age and the 6th century BC, what are the position behind this? And the Janapada of this period are found many changes, took a concrete shape like village, towns and cities where the units, where the people lived in a Janapada. This was also the age of intense philosophical speculation. Buddhism, Jainism and many other orthodox sects emerged during this period. Monks, monarchs, and merchants crowded the canvas of history. Then we have to talk about urban centers, rural and urban centers. So we have discussed about urban centers. During 6th century BCE, saw the emergence of cities in ancient India for the second time. The first is Indus Valley civilization or Harappan civilization, then 6th century BCE. The second time, this urbanization was more significant in the sense that it endured for a longer time and saw the beginning of a literary tradition. This tradition embodies in Buddhism, Jainism, and many important towns of Hinduism. After the end of Indus cities, settled agricultural villages and wandering people inhabited the plains of India. Small village settlements with humble dwellings dotted the landscape of the country. All this was undisturbed by the din and bustle of marketplaces and the domination of kings and merchants. You must have heard the story of a king, Harishchandra. So, this is the theme of Janapada. During 6th century BC, you will further read in this unit that kings of the monarchical Mahajanapadas and the Kshatriyas chiefs of Ganasanghas used to live in cities like Kosambi, Champa, Sravasti, Rajagriha, and Vaisali. These are the most important cities during 6th century BC. It is not only the big cities which emerged at this time, along with agricultural based villages. There existed market centers, small towns, big towns, and other types of settlements. Many scholars have tried to define an urban centers. What is urban centers or what is town? On the face or cities, it seems fairly easy to define it, but when we get down to details, the problem becomes complicated. For example, some writers believe that it is characterized by a large population. However, it has been pointed out that some modern Indian villages have population larger than those of some Australian towns. Let us take the example Banaras or Kashi, which is among the oldest surviving cities of India. Its fame rests not on the very good quality rice produced there, but on its being a very important pilgrimage centers. Pilgrimage centers wherein attracts pilgrims from all over India who offer various kinds of gifts to deities in the temples. So in this way, keepers of the temples are able to draw upon resources of the people coming from all over the country. The other characteristics of an urban center is that its function in relationship to a large hinterland. Residents of the city might provide administrative, economic, or religious services to a population residing in an area much larger than physical space of the city. This means that the class of kings, priests, and merchants living in cities have more wealth than a common man. These classes use their wealth for acquiring more wealth, prestige, and power. Now, the rich and powerful in every society have their own way of showing off. The rich in some societies build large palaces, others build beautiful temples, still others perform grand sacrifices, some others are content with the possession of precious metals and stones. Apart from kings, priests, merchants, and farmers, various groups of crafts specialists also stay in the city who produce luxury items for the city and other objects needed by the people outside the city. These craft specialists need not enjoy same privileges as the rich. For example, the administrator or the merchants might be very rich, but blacksmiths or merchants or carpenters might be quite poor. So the city is characterized by the presence of rich and poor people. गोटे शहर रे खाली धनी श्रेणी रो लोक माने बसवास करंती नाही, गरीब श्रेणी रो लोक माने मध्ये बसवास करूथिले. We can say that an urban center refers to a place where most powerful and visible sections of the population are engaged in activities other than food production. Such diverse socio-economic activities create the problem of proper coordination among those engaged in them. And the background to the 6th century BC, although there is a need of a centralized agency coordinating their activities, the need to keep the check hostilities between rich and poor, and the need for mobilizing agricultural produce for urban consumption also creates the possibility of emergence of a centralized political administrative power. गरीब एवं धनी श्रेणी लोक मानकर शांति श्रृंखला रक्षा करने पाई गोटे रूलिंग क्लास बा राजा दरकार थिला एवं सेते बेले काशी थिला सबुठु बड़ महानगरी एवं सेति पई जहाँ पाखरे जतिकी धन थिला से ता पावर यूटिलाइज करिकी लैंड गुड़ाक बा स्टेट गुड़ाक कंज्यूम करिकी सिंहासन आरोहण करथिले एवं ता बाद सिटी बा टाउन रो आरंभ होइतिला एवं महाजनपद सेठू स्टार्ट हला. We will soon discuss the emergence of Mahajanapadas and centralized policies in ancient India. We will see how over a period of time the Brahmanas emerged as a caste category that specialized in ritual activities. This came the class of Kshatriyas, warriors and landowners who gradually started levying taxes over cultivators. Brahman माने पूजा करथिले एवं क्षत्रिय माने warrior group से माने देश को रक्षा करथिले वैदेशिक शत्रु को आक्रमण रु. Later Vedic chieftains seem to have burnt up a disturbed their wealth on a large and larger scale, mean that they had to look for more and more putti, taxes and tribute. Then in this settled agricultural society, agricultural produce and castle were the most important forms of wealth. एवं संपत्ति रो अन्य नाम थिला एग्रीकल्चर बा चाष जमी, ताबाद कैसेल बा गृहपालित पशु एवं विभिन्न मणिमुक्ता. Then their agricultural produce was one of the wealth which could be argued from year to year by either extending the cultivable lands or adopting more intensive agricultural practices. Then archaeological records indicate that many agricultural settlements came into existence between 8th to 6th century BCE, and two factors which proved to be a great help in increasing agricultural production: increasing use of iron tools. चाष जमी केमिति चाष भल होइछि सेगुडाक जानिबा पई यूज ऑफ आयरन टूल्स लोहार व्यवहार हेतिला. एवं सेकेंड practice of wet rice cultivation. धान चाषर चाष करिबा मिडिल गैंगेटिक वैली देन यूज ऑफ आयरन एंड वेट राइस कल्टीवेशन देन आवर सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन आमे कोठो इंफॉर्मेशन जानि पारली 6th सेंचुरी बीसी रो इंफॉर्मेशन कोठो आमे जानिबा को पहिले सेटा हला जनपद एवं महाजनपद फ्रॉम सम वैदिक एंड बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट we have the Vedic texts like Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, and Buddhist texts Mahabhansha, Tripitakas. The Brahmanas refer to a category of Vedic texts. Then Upanishads, likewise Vedic literature. These texts were composed from 800 BC onwards. Then they refer to many Janapadas and Mahajanapadas and provide us insight into the settlement of agricultural communities. Then Buddhist order like Sangha, the Sutta Pitaka, collection of Buddha sermons, and the Abhidharma Pitaka discussing problems of metaphysics, tells us about pictures, princes, rich, poor, towns and villages of that period. Then the Jatakas dealing with stories of previous birth of the Buddha, a part of the Sutta Pitaka. Then they give us graphic description of contemporary society. Then they have dug up various places from excavation, archaeological sources. The archaeologists also contribute to our understanding of this period. They have dug up various places. Like Achichatra, Hastinapur, Kosambi, Ujjaini, Shravasti, Vaisali, and many more. Then they give us graphic description of contemporary society. They have discovered remains of houses, buildings, towns, and objects used by people during 6th century BC. Use of iron or used is sparingly. In 6th century BC, people were using iron tools of a large scale. बहुत परिमाण रे सेमाने लुहार व्यवहार करथिले. Prosperous agricultural settlements, चाष जमी बहुत उर्वर थिला. चाष रे सेमाने बहुत लाभवान होथिले. Archaeological and literary sources put together provide us with a more complete picture of Indian society between 6th and 4th century BC. Then page number 262, 262, cities of the 16th century BC. Then there we have just seen our information about the city 6th century BC comes from many sources. This is because it was the period which saw the beginning of the written tradition in ancient Indian history. In 6th century BC, there was a written tradition. First time the people of India have started written. Then Brahmanical, Buddhist and Jaina texts refer to the condition of this period. Excavation reports of many urban and rural centers of this period also enrich our understanding. Then types of cities and towns in literature. आमे literature रू साहित्य रू आमे कौन पाऊ को शहर उपरे सेमाने लिखि जाइछंती. तो the terms that are frequently used to denote cities in ancient Indian literature are: first is Pura, second is Durga, third is Nigama, and fourth is Nagara. Pura this time is mentioned even in early Vedic literature, where it is referred to fortified settlements of temporary places of refuge or castle pens, that the residence of the king, Raja Ghara Pura kuhajuthila, and his return of families of the tajeti relatives mane thile semane rahuthile taku Pura kuhajuthila. Then Durga, this is the other term used for denoting fortified capital of a king. King ro Rajdhani Bata Durga fortified area जोटा राजधानी टा चारिआडे जो वाल दिया हितला सेटा दुर्ग को आजुथला. Fortification protected urban centers and separated them from surrounding rural areas. एवं सेटा urban area को rural area सहित विच्छेद करथला. Also they made easier for ruling classes to control activities of the population residing in the city. वैदेशिक शत्रु आक्रमण नु बंचुथले. Then third is Nigama. It is frequently used in Pali literature. Pali भाषा रे लिखा है. It provides mean merchant towns जोठी वाणिज्य व्यवसाय बेसी आकार रे होउथला सेटा के merchant towns को निगम कहउथला. 6th century BC रे sale and purchase of goods से माने import export करथले बिक्री करथले से जगह को निगम कहउथला. Then in fact some scholars believe that some of the nigamas evolved out of village specialized in pottery, carpentry or salt making. जोठी माटी पात्र तैयार करा जाउथला जेउठी कार्पेंट्री कराउथला बा बढ़े काम कराउथला बा सॉल्ट मेकिंग लुण तैयारी होउथला से जाकू निगम कहा जाउथला that they were market towns is also proved by the fact that certain points of a later period carrying the legend nigama आमे बहुत गुडा कॉइन पाइछु सेथिरे हमकु जानिबा पई पाउछु निगम अर्थ कोन ताबाद असला नगर it is most commonly used word a town that city literature of the period nagar artha town ba city. This word is used for the first time in the Tretiya Aranyaka re se nagar shabd achi seitu ame nagar kole town buji thau. Then another word mahanagar also referred to cities. This centers embodied mahanagar means metro cities. Puro and commercial functions of nigama kings merchants and preachers reside in these cities এবং metro cities বা মহানগর রে রাজা तांकर सेनापति तांकर जेतिकी रिलेटिव्स पुरा कथिले ऑफिसर्स पुरा कथिले बड़ बड़ व्यवसायी माने सेठी तांकर निज रेसिडेंस थिला निज घर थिला. Then we also refer Buddhist literature refers to the following of 6 महानगरस like Champa, Rajagriha, Kashi, Sravasti, Saketa and Kosambi. Other terms like Patna, Sthaniya etc. also used to refer to towns and cities. Town को पटना व स्थानीय भी कहा जाउथला. Puro and Durga also most earliest terms of Indian history. Kings and their followers lived in fortified settlements. Then Brahmanical tradition ascribed the foundation of almost all the cities to certain kings. For example, a king called Kosam is said to have founded Kosambi. राजा मानकर ना अनुसारे जागा मानकर ना हितला केमिति किंग कॉल्ड कोसाम बोली कि गुटे राजा थिले ताको नारे कोसाम्बी नगर तैयार कोले. देन हस्तिन फाउंडेड हस्तिनापुरा एंड श्रावस्ती फाउंडेड श्रावस्ती. कपिलावस्तु इज सेड टू हैव बीन नेम्ड आफ्टर सेज कपिला ऋषि को नारे कपिलावस्तु हेची. And Kosambi was named after Kusamba trees mu bhi Kosambi heichi se jagar na Kosambi heichi. However, the traditional cities belong founded by kings in quite strong. The Pandavas are said to have founded Indraprastha. Pandava mane Indraprastha banethile. In the Ramayana also prince of the ruling family are supposed to have founded various cities. Then some of the political centers also became great commercial centers in subsequent period. Hastinapura never experienced the kind of prosperity that we advocate with Kashi or Kosambi. Then once long distance trade procured, political leaders tried to enrich their treasuries by taxing traders. At least in 2 cases, political capitals were located in Ayodhya to Shravasti and the capital of Magadha was shifted from Rajagriha. Then we know ame jani chu je सब बेले राजधानी ता गोटे जगह रे न थाए. कोसलर राजधानी शिफ्ट है कि अयोध्या आइतला तबा श्रावस्ती हैला तबा मगधर राजधानी राजगृह टू उठी कि पाटलिपुत्र होइतला. Then उत्तर पथ starting along the Himalaya foothills and finally connecting Takshashila with Rajagriha. Similarly, Patliputra was located at a point where it could explore the trade routes passing through the Gangas. जेउठी गमनागमन सुविधा थिला जेउठी उर्पर मूर्तिका थिला सेठी बड़ बड़ नगरी जेउठी पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर थिला तीर्थ करबा पई लोक माने बहु संख्या रे योगदान दोथिले सेही थारे बड़ बड़ महानगरी गुडाक होईची एवं से सब नदी तट रे रहिची. द इमेज ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया. तबत सिटी गुडाकर विषय रे किछि ये हिची दिव्यावदन अर्थसंभ धर्मसूत्र रे लिखा है. Ancient Indian literature gives an idealized view of cities. Ayodhya described in the Ramayana or Vaishali described in the Buddhist text, chessboard pattern and surrounded by defensive wall and moats. Then streets were to be remarked. एठी लिखा है से बड़ बड़ नगरी गुड़ाक देखा केमी थी. Streets high monsoon with colorful banners, busy markets, flowering gardens, ponds filled with lotus and these are parts of their description in text. Then well-dressed men, beautiful women dancing, and सिंगिंग कंप्लीट द पिक्चर ऑफ द सिटी गोटे महानगरी कहले कौन बुझा जाए बड़ बड़ बाजार बहुत संख्यार लोक माने किनाकुणी करुथिबे बड़ बड़ प्रासाद गुड़ाक से गुड़ाक ये पेज नंबर 264 then the walk through the city Brahmana disliked so much the hedge of dogs raised by horses जेते बेले 6th century BC रो कथा कुआ होची सेते बेले रास्ता देखिबा पई सबले धूली दूषण थिला काहे ना घोड़ा मानकर आगमन होतला आ सेटा ब्राह्मण माने बिल्कुल पसंद करू नथिले crowds of people crawling around shops selling various kinds of eatables such as fruits like mangoes एवं लोक माने सब बेले किना किनी करूथिले बाजार रो मैंगो जैक फ्रूट्स बनाना सुगर कैंडी देन नारी माने बेंगल्स बा चूड़ी फ्लावर किनुथिले एगुडा कहला walk through the city then items of exchange markets involve buying and selling of commodities people could be seen buying utensils घरर विभिन्न जिनिस सामग्री किनाकुणी करथिले utensils and tools made of metals like iron copper tin and silver groups of merchants specializing in productions व्यवसायी माने बहुत लाभवान पाउथले बहुत दूररु आनी की सेठी बिक्री करूथले सेलिंग ऑफ सॉल्ट लूण बिक्री होउथला स्ट्रीट इमक फॉर द कॉटन क्लॉथ ऑफ काशी कॉटन क्लॉथ पई फेमस थिला अति जणा सुना थिला से टाइम रे वुलन ब्लैंकेट्स थ्रू फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंट नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न प्रोविंस ऑफ गांधार साइड रु वुलन क्लॉथ्स गुडा कहउथला एवं धनी श्रेणी रो लोक माने बहुल भाव रे किनुथिले देन हॉर्सेस ब्रॉट फ्रॉम सीन तबा घोड़ा आसुतला सिंध रु एवं कमोजा रु तबा द बायर्स वर ओनली द सुपर रिच ऑफ दोज डेज जो माने अति धनी श्रेणी थिले से माने हॉर्स किनुथिले बेंगल्स ऑफ पंची सील ब्यूटीफुल ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑफ गोल्ड एंड फॉर्म्स ऑफ ऑर्नामेंट्स मेड इवोरी आर वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ प्रीशियस स्टोन्स आर आल्सो इन हाई डिमांड अमंग द एरिस्टोक्रेसी धनी श्रेणी लोक माने सेटा किनुथिले एंड लिटरेरी सोर्सेस आल्सो पॉइंट आउट द एच आइटम वाज सोल्ड इन ए सेपरेट स्ट्रीट एवं प्रत्येक जिनस जेमिति कपड़ा बा लुगा मार्केट रे मिले माछ मांस बाजार रे मिले मंडी रे मिले सेमिति से टाइम रे मंडी करा हितला शॉपकीपर्स को अपनिक कोहा उथला सेकंड रिटेलर्स को प्रत्यक्ष विक्रेता कोहा उथला देन मनी वेंडर्स बा सेठी बा गहपति कोहा उथला शॉपकीपर्स मतलब होलसेलर रिटेलर्स मतलब खुचरिया दुकान छोटा छोटा जो दुकान गुड़ाक मनी इन्वेस्टर्स मतलब जो माने ऋण दियंती जो जमींदार श्रेणी रो बा गाँव रो जो थांती मुख्य जो माने पैसा दती तो सेठी को आउतला से टाइम रे सेठी गहपति को आउतला द लिस्ट द रिचर पीपल वर यूजिंग कॉइन्स एवं सब बेले धनी लोक माने कॉइन व्यवहार करथले गरीब लोक माने द्रव्य बा कैश नहीं काइंड रे से माने द्रव्य किनुथिले द्रव्य रे द्रव्य दी की किनुथिले कॉइन ऑफ फास्ट वैल्यू वा द सिल्वर 7 मान एवं कॉइन आमे जहा जानि छु सेटा सिल्वर रो थिला एवं ताकू 7 मान कोआ होतला दिस वाज फॉलोड बाय द कर्षपण तबा कर्षपण कोआ गला द कॉपर मासास एंड काकानी वर कॉइन्स ऑफ स्मॉल डिनोमिनेशंस देन चांडालो मींस शूद्र Buddhist story is said that the daughter of a merchant on seeing a chandala से टाइम रे केते कास्ट सिस्टम केउ भलिया थिला गोटे एठी एग्जांपल दिया छि जदी गोटे ब्राह्मण झियो चांडाल को ता स्वचक्षु रे देखिला ताहेले ताकू गाधेबा पे पडुथला एवं सेथि पई से माने चांडाल मान को देखु नथिले देन विथ द इमर्जेंस ऑफ सिटीज क्लास ऑफ वॉशरमैन scavengers beggars sweepers also came into existence तब आसला द सिटी इन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट मान को ऊपर कोन सिटी विषय रे विवरण थिला से सब एठी दिया आछि 700 BC in place like Ayodhya Kosambi Sravasti small settlements came into existence people living in these settlements used various kinds of potteries हमें यदि प्रत्नतात्विक हिसाब रे हमें यदि इतिहास को देखू ताहेले लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ पोट्री अनुसार हमें सही समय को निरूपण करथु पोट्री among them particular kind of pottery called painted grey ware is important because many people living in upper Gangetic Valley, but people in this settlement of middle Gangetic Valley were using pottery called black and red ware, then northern black polished ware. Then barter system requires two persons willing to exchange their produce. Barter system प्रथमे barter system थिला तबा धनी श्रेणी लोक माने कॉइन व्यवहार कले कॉइन प्रथमे रुपार व्यवहार करथले तबा आस्ते आस्ते होई कि सुना बा गोल्ड रो आसिला then easier to carry coins than to carry cows तबा medium of exchange गाई थिले काउ कोनोसी द्रव्य किनेबा पई गाई को नेबा पई पडुथला सेटा उडे असुविधा थिला सेति पई बाटर सिस्टम आ चलनानी सेति में कॉइन्स रो आविष्कार हला numismatic sources हमें जोटा कहूछु the study of coins तबा largest elements in this period show the use of baked bricks of for housing एवं पोड़ा इटा रे घर गुडा को तयारी हेतिला गरी आर्कियोलॉजिकल सोर्स हमको कहूची during 6th century BCE soft pits made from superimposed jars of rings of terracotta माटी रो पात्र थिला एवं पाइप गुडा को भी टेराकोटा रे निर्मित थिला जोटा कि घर पानी जे कि मदर ड्रेन रे पडुथला मुख्य नाला रे पडुथला डिस्पोजल ऑफ द डार्टी वाटर जल निष्कासन पद्धति बहुत बढ़िया थिला 6th century BC रे they indicate some kind of planning से माने प्लानिंग करी कि एटा रखिथिले एवं गरीब श्रेणी रो लोक मानक भितरे मड ब्रिक्स पुरा कथिला बा कंचा इटा रे तयारी हेतिला घर गुडा को काहे कि ना से माने गरीब थिले एवं तक्षशिला लार्ज स्केल एक्सकैवेशन एट एशियन साइट्स तक्षशिला गांधार द कैपिटल ऑफ गांधार that's now in Afghanistan that this town might have came to existence in 8th-7th century BC. However, plant township came into existence only around 2nd century BC. Then Kosambi, no palatal structure has been reported. Tabat Ujjaini, Kosambi, Rajagriha, all have the fortification. Durga thila seta. The fortification wall, pura mini fortified settlements. Tabat page number 269. Units of settlement. The Janapada. Janapada literary meaning places where people place their feet. Each often referred to in the text of each period. They are referred to as a Janapada, Mahajanapada, Nagara, Nigama, Grama. The Janapada literary meaning place where people place their feet. जोंथि बहु संख्यार लोक माने सकाळे आसुथिले एवं संध्यारे जाउथिले सेटा को जनपद को होतला जन एवं in Vedic societies refer members of a clan गुटे वंश को धरा जाए गुटे जाति को धरा जाउथला in early Vedic society the member of jana were pastoral groups roving in search of pastures एवं से माने जाजाबर श्रेणी रथिले एवं सेठु हमें सेगुडा को जानि परथु फॉर एग्जांपल द एरियाज अराउंड दिल्ली एंड अपर यूपी वेर नोन एज कुरु एंड पांचाल जनपद आफ्टर द नेम्स ऑफ डोमिनेंट क्षत्रियस एवं से माने क्षत्रिय लिनेज रथिले iron axes and plowshares that could clear forests and dig deeper than the stone of copper tools एवं से माने जंगल गुडा को काटी शहर निर्माण करथिले एरिया लिस्ट ऑफ प्रयाग मॉडर्न प्रयागराज वाज सिचुएटेड इन राइस कल्टीवेशन राइस शेयर्स आर हायर देन वेट सेते बेले गहम रु अधिक उत्पादन धान होतला सेति पई प्रयागराज रे बा प्रयाग रे राइस कल्टीवेशन होतला कोई कि एठी 6th century BC रे हमको इंफॉर्मेशन अछि then agricultural expansion war and conquest the Vedic tribes had come in closer contact with each other and with the non-Aryan population then the Janapada were to develop into Mahajanapadas तबा जनपद रु जो शहर मेट्रो सिटी हला तबा महाजनपद हला 6th century BC this happened as a result of a series of changes in internal socio-political structure जो शहर जेते उन्नत हला ता ना आस्ते आस्ते चेंज की ताकू महाजनपद स्क्वागला एंड इमर्जेंस ऑफ न्यू ग्रुप्स तबात श्रेणी विभाग हला कास्ट सिस्टम तो थिला तबात श्रेणी विभाग है वर्ण अनुसार श्रेणी विभाग है गहपति फर्स्ट इज द गहपति one very important changes was the emergence of new categories of groups of people in the society that's called gahapati gahapati means the head of gruha yani ki house and the master of the individual lands a gahapati was the master of an individual household which owned land nijara jami thila tangoro a brahmana gahapati is said to have owned too much of land that he needed 500 plows to get it cultivated ब्राह्मण समाज मानकर भी तांकर जमी बहुत गुड़ा थिला से माने दास मानकु बा सूत्र श्रेणी लोक मानकु चाष करबा पई दउथिले एवं से माने एठी एग्जांपल अछि जे 500 लंगळ दरकार पडुथला तांकु चाष करबा पई इन लेटर वेल सोसाइटी इट वाज द 20 एवं 20 पाजुथला विथ परफॉर्म एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज then the ruling clans kshatriyas and brahmanas brought it under their control एवं क्षत्रिय माने मध्य चाष जमी तांको निजर थिला एवं से माने मध्य भृत्य बा दास किंबा स्लेव किंबा शूद्र मानकु चाष पई उपयोग करूथिले एवं ड्यूरिंग वार केउ मानकु भृत्य कहउतला जेउ माने युद्ध रे बंदी होई आसुथिले तांको भृत्य कहउतला एवं अति निम्न श्रेणी रो लोक मानकु जेउटा ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र एट लास्ट रे जो आसे शूद्र से माने ही एई तीनोटी जातिर सेवा करूथिले शूद्र द दास बट द मास्टर ऑफ द गहपति एवं तांकु गहपति कुआ जोथिला तब मर्चेंट्स 2 नंबर रे मर्चेंट्स आसिला सेटा होची वैश्य श्रेणी रो ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य था दे वर द एग्रीकल्चरलिस्ट से माने शस्य उत्पादन करिवे इट वाज पॉसिबल फ्रॉम द रैंक्स ऑफ द गहपति दैट द इंपोर्टेंट क्लास ऑफ ट्रेडर्स इमर्ज्ड थ्रू द सेल्स ऑफ देयर प्रोड्यूस दे बिल्ट अप ए सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल व्हिच इज यूज्ड फॉर ट्रेडिंग एवं से माने व्यवसाय मध्य करि पारिबे द वर्ड फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड फॉर ट्रेडर्स इन द बुद्धिस्ट सोर्सेस द सेठी एवं सेते बेले से महाजन श्रेणी रो लोक मानकु सेठी कहा जोथला सेठी अर्थ ए पर्सन हैविंग द बेस्ट सबटु टॉप श्रेणी रो लोक माने ऑलराउंडर जोटा धन संपत्ति वैभव कोनोसी रे कमी नथिला समान सेठी कहा जोतला ए पर्सन हैविंग द बेस्ट इट शो दैट द पीपल हु डील विथ मनी मैटर्स एंड एक्वायर्ड कंसीडरेबल प्रेस्टीज एंड पावर तांकर चाकचक्य तांकर प्रेस्टीज तांकर पावर तांकर धन सबुथिरे निपुण थिले सर्वगुण संपन्न थिले तांकु सेठी कहा जोतला ए पर्सन हैविंग द बेस्ट एवं that is called Vaishya, who are generally associated with trading and also king have respect there. And however, by 6th century BC, trade and merchandise became related to the emergence of towns and cities in this period. Tabat ruler and the ruled. Tabat raja evam tankoro samrajya ba tankoro जो टैक्स गुडा को कलेक्शन करथले सेही विषय रे एठी लेखा आइछि एवं राजा को जातिर को धर्म थिले सेटा एठी विवरण दिया आइछि महाजनपद इट इज द प्रेसिडिंग पीरियड द वर्ल्ड राजा रेफर टू द चीफ ऑफ लिनेज सबुठु बड़ो राजा थिले राम द किंग ऑफ अयोध्या दशरथ नंदन राम whose legends are related to this period is often referred as Raghukula Raja meaning one who rules over the Raghu clan. Similarly, Yudhishthira is called Kuru Raja. Kuru Raja, they ruled over their lineage and the notion of a ruler ruling over a territory had not emerged. Then the independent taxation system of army, Raja Sobule army रखुथिले काहे कि ना तांको कर आदाय करबा पय पडुथिला एवं वैदेशिक शत्रुरु तांको प्रजा मानकु बचौथिले एटा 6th century BC रे लेखा आइछि taxation system and army then paid taxes to the king where not linked raja and praja and today people from non lineage group sabutu bodo raja evam a standing army implied control over local peasantry an official called bhagaduga collected bhaga means share of the agricultural produce jeuta raja ku share le debe jeu karo debe seta ko bhaga ko autla Jataka mentioned royal officials measuring out grain to send it the king's granary. Mahajana Padasre Bhagaduga Bhaga Pautla, Raju Gataka, then Mahajanapada did not bear the name of dominant Kshatriya lineage in most of the cases. For example, सबु जगह रे बड़ बड़ पुत्र बा बड़ बड़ वंशर राजा माने राजत्व करथिले। कोसल, मगध, अवंती, वत्स were not named after any Kshatriya lineage. Thus we see that new kind of political system had emerged 6th century BCE. Army was paid out of revenue collected from the cultivators, and for glory and sacrifice led to this breaking away from the lineage. Produce wealth, some of this wealth was taken away from these producers in the form of taxes. एवं लोक मानकु रहिबा पई एवं तांकर जीवन को विपदरु बंचेबा पई राजा को किछि कर देबा पई पडुतला. By the chief would not be allowed. Then units of settlement, the Mahajanapadas. The word Mahajanapadas means large Janapadas like those of Magadha, Kosala during 6th century BC. Kosala Mahajanapadas include the Janapada of the Sakya and the Kasi. Magadha came to include the Janapadas of Anga, Bhiki, hopes, ambition and struggles of men those days and their contemporary social milieu. The story of Jivaka. Jivaka होउछंती गोटिए पद्य एवं तांको जीवनर सब किछि एठी लेखा आइछि. से कोन थिले, केमिति छोट बेले बापा मा छेउंड थिले, तांको आनी की कोन करा हैला, ताबाद पाठ पढा हैला, से वैद्य हेले, वैद्य हे की ढेर सारा पैसा अर्जन कले, ताबाद बिंबिसार तांको खुश हे की तांको प्राइवेट फिजिशियन हिसाब रे रखा गला. ताबाद तांको सहित बिंबिसार नै की बुद्धन को देखेले, बुद्धन को ट्रीटमेंट कला परे जो सबु तांको पाखरे धन संपत्ति थिला जीवक पाखरे सेटा बुद्धन को चरण रे समर्पित कर दिथिले. से स्टोरीटा एठी अछि. देन विलेजेस प्राकृत एंड पाली लैंग्वेज रे ग्राम को आउथला, एटा सब अछि. देन टाउन एंड सिटीज नगर को आउथला, एटा एठी अछि. देन 16 महाजनपद 1600 महाजनपद विषय एठी विवरण दिया आइछि. दैट महाजनपद रिप्रेजेंट द conglomerate thousands of villages and a few cities. बहुत गुड़ाए ग्राम एवं अल्प शहर को नहीं की महाजनपद थिला. they extended from भौगोलिक अवस्थिति they extended from northwestern Pakistan to East Bihar, page number 273, to East Bihar, and from some mountain regions of the Himalayas to the river Godavari in south. तो 16 महाजनपदस आमे पाऊ अनुगत्त निकाय, बुद्धिस्ट टेक्स्ट अनुगत्त निकाय which is a part of the Sutta Pitaka, and gives the following list of 16 महाजनपदस. Also Jaina work Bhagavati Sutra, it was a sources information. कोठु आमे 16 महाजनपद विषय रे पाऊ बा उल्लेख अछि. सेटा अछि अनुगत्त निकाय जोटा कि सुत्त पिटकर अछि, एवं जैन वार्क भगवती सूत्र रे 16 महाजनपद विषय रे उल्लेख करा जिछि. सेटा होछि काशी 1, काशी रो कैपिटल वाराणसी. सेकंड कोसल राजधानी होछि श्रावस्ती अयोध्या. देन अंग चंपा मगध राजगृह पाटलिपुत्र, विजी वैशाली, मल्ल कुशीनगर और पावा चेटी सुक्तिमती, वत्स कौशाम्बी, कुरु हस्तिनापुर एंड इंद्रप्रस्थ, पांचाल आचिचत्र कौपिल्य, मत्स्य विराटनगर, सुरसेना मथुरा, अशोक प्रतिष्ठान, अवंती उज्जैन एंड महिष्मती, गांधार राजधानी तक्षशिला एवं कंबोज राजधानी राजापुरा. काशी कोसल अंग मगध भिजी मल्ल चेड़ी वंश कुरु पांचाल मत्स्य सुरसेना अशोक अवंती गांधार कम्बोजा. There is 16 महाजनपदस. We have briefly discussed about 16 महाजनपदस. Kashi, of the 16 महाजनपदस, Kashi seems to have been the most powerful in the beginning. Located in and around present day Varanasi. Its capital Varanasi referred to as the foremost city of India, situated on the confluence of the Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga एवं यमुना रो संगम स्थली रे अछि काशी बा वाराणसी जोटा कहा होछि. Kashi was famous for its cotton textile and market for horses. Excavation of the site of Rajghat excavation होइथिला, सेठु हम जानि पाला. Orange brown robes of Buddhist monks were called Kashyapa in Sanskrit. Tabadachi. Several kings of Kashi are mentioned in seven conquest of Kosala. Rama story, the Dasaratha Jataka mentioned Dasaratha Rama, the king of Kashi, not of Ayodhya, the father of Parshva, 23rd Tirthankaras of the Jainas. Tabadasala Kosala. Kosal Radhani Sravasti. The Mahajanapadas of Kosala was bounded on the west by river Gomati. To its east followed the river Sadanira, which separated it from Videha Janapadas. Towards the northeast is the Nepal hill with the river Sandhika defined its southern boundary. The Buddha calls himself a Kosalan in the Majjhima Nikaya, but at the same time the Kosalan king Viduvaha is said to have destroyed the Sakyas. এবং তার কেতেটা বড় বড় নগরী ଥିଲା সেই ভিতর অযোধ্যা সকেত এবং শ্রাবস্তী কাশী বহুত উন্নত মহানগর ଥିଲା তারপর অঙ্গর রাজধানী চম্পা অঙ্গ comprise the district of Bhagalpur and Mangalore in Bihar. It may have extended northwards to river Kosi and included some parts of the district of Purena. It was located in the east of Magadha and west of Rajamahal Hills. Champa was its capital. Tabad Magadha, Rajagriha and Pataliputra. Magadha consists of the area around Patna and Gaya, modern Patna and Gaya in South Bihar. It was protected by rivers Son and Ganga on its north and west respectively. Toward the south, it reached up to the Chotanagpur plateau, and in the east, Champa, separated from Anga. Its capital was called Griharaja or Rajagriha. Later, it was Pataliputra during Ashokan time and Chandragupta Maurya time. Then, Vajji, Vaishali, the capital is Vaishali, district of Bihar. The Vajji literally meaning pastoral nobles. Nepal in the north, it was separated from Kosala by river Gandak. Then the Bijis represented confederacy of 8 clans of Bijire, 8 jati thile. The Buddhist sources consider as chieftains Lichavi, Videha, their capital and Mithila. Lichavis and Jatrikas were the most well known. And the Jatrikas were another clan settled somewhere in the Suras of Vaisali on member of the confederacy. Ugras, Gogras, Kauravas, everything bahut thile. Then Malla is capital Kushinagar. The Malla were another Kshatriya lineage referred to as Ganasangha. Ganasangha hochi bahut gudae Kshatriya family ku nei ki Ganasangha thila. It was an assembly, and Mallas were the part of Ganasangha. Then Pava and Kushinagar has been identified with the site of Kasia in the Gorakhpur district of UP. This is anonymity among scholars about the location of Pava. They are supposed to have been ruled 500 chiefs. Buddha died in the vicinity of Kushinagar. Buddha also died in this place. Then Chedi, the capital Suktimati. The Chedi territory roughly corresponding to eastern part of the modern Bundelkhand. It might have stayed up to Malwa plateau. Sisupal, the famous enemy of Krishna in this region. Then Vassa, that is capital Kosambi. Vassa, with its capital is Kosambi, was one of the most powerful principalities of 6th century BC. Then Kosambi has been identified with modern Kosam on the Yamuna near Prayag, modern Prayagraj. That means that the Vassa were settled around modern Prayagraj. Then Kuru capital Hastinapur and Indraprastha. Kuru were supported being the family of Yudhishthira. They were centered around the Delhi Meerut region. The Arthashastra and other texts refer to them as a Raja, Saboda, Bindha, carrying titles of kings. Then Kuru through the Mahabharata, Pandavas and Kauravas have a war. Greek who came to contact with India only around 5th century BC. Then Panchala capital Achichatra and Kampilya. The Panchala Mahajanapada was located in Rohilakand and parts of central Doabrokli Valley, Pilibhat, Bodon, Gulchar and Aligarh. Ancient texts refer to the presence of 2 lineages of the Panchalas, that is northern Panchalas and southern Panchalas. River Bhagirathi forming the dividing line. Northern Panchalas had their capital at Achichatra, located in Valley district of UP, and southern Panchalas at Kampilya at their capital. Then Matsya capital Viratnagar. The Matsya were located in the Jaipur, Bhagalpur, Alwar region of Rajasthan. Their capital was a Viratnagar, found at the boarding place in the Pandavas. Then ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବନବାସ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ମତ୍ସ୍ୟ ବା ବିରାଟନଗରରେ ସେମାନେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ବିରାଟ ରାଜାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବର୍ଷ ଅଜ୍ଞାତ କାଳ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ବିରାଟ ରାଜା ଘରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ବିରାଟନଗର ମତ୍ସ୍ୟ ମହାନଗର ଏଟା ମହାଭାରତରୁ ଏଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଲୁ then for attack Virat they took Kesalavati then Surasena Rajdhani Mathura the Surasena had their capital at Mathura the bank of Yamuna Mahabharata and Purana's ruling family Mathura is referred to as Yaduvamshi. The Yadava clan is divided into many smaller clans Adnakas এবং অন্যান্য ক্লান মধ্যে অଛନ୍ତି এবং এ ভিতরে যাদব কিয়ে ଥିଲେ কৃষ্ণা লর্ড কৃষ্ণা যাদব ক্লান ଥିଲେ ସେ then Mathura was located at the junction of two famous ancient Indian traders routes that is ଉତ୍ତର ପଥ ଏବଂ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ପଥ ମଥୁରା ରୁ ଯାଉଥିଲା ରାସ୍ତା ଉତ୍ତର ପଥ ଏବଂ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ପଥକୁ ଯଦି ମଥୁରା ନ ଗଲେ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ବ୍ୟବସାୟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇ ପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ that is the main center for trade and commerce. Then Asaka is the capital Patisthana. The Asaka were inhabiting the banks of Godavari near modern Paithan in Maharashtra. Then Avanti, capital Ujjain and Mahismati Nagari in Bahubali. Avanti was one of the most powerful Mahajanapadas in the 6th century BCE. Core area of this kingdom would roughly correspond to the Ujjain district of MP extending up to river Narmada. It had another important city, Mahismati, which is sometimes mentioned as a capital. Several other small and big towns are mentioned as denoting the Avanti region. The Puranas attribute the foundation of Avanti to one of the clans of Yadus called the Hayas. Then Gandhara is a Takshashila, the capital Takshashila. Now Afghanistan, Gandhara was located between Kabul and Rawalpindi, northwestern province. It might have included some parts of Kashmir, although it was an important area in early Vedic period, lost its importance in the Brahmanical and Buddhist tradition of later phases. The capital Takshashila was an important city where people of the Gandhara school of art and Mathura school of art, you know that. Then the last is Kamboja. Their capital is Rajapura. Kamboja was located somewhere close to Gandhara, probably around the present day Puncha area of Afghanistan. In 7th century BC, the Kambojas were regarded as uncultured by the Brahmanical text. Arthashastra Quran was a Bharata Satrapayati Sangha, meaning a confederation of agriculturalists, herdsmen, traders and warriors. That is the 16 Mahajanapadas or 16 Mahajanapadas. Then their society shift to a new geographical region, the upper and middle Ganga Valley, while the concern of agrarian economy, chaso mukhya jivika thila ebong society se boliya aithibo. Rulers and others who enjoyed share of wealth produced society without pursuing wealth themselves. Raja proja no thile, rajar kichi abasyakata hi nahi, to proja kon karibo chaso karibo ebong bahut sara urbor murtika thila. Emergence of state proportions, and then there is a Bornos and division of societies have a variety of texts which provide us with information about society and economy. In 6th to 4th century BCE, there are many Brahmanical texts meant to instruct people in the performance of day-to-day rites and rituals. They are called the Griha Sutras, Sutta Sutras and Dharma Sutras. We know from Griha Sutras, Sutta Sutras and Dharma Sutras. Among these manual some texts like those of Apastamba belong to this period. Buddhist texts written in the Pali language. The early practice canons date back to the period between 6th to 4th centuries. Northern Black Polish ware we know from NBPW, Northern Black Polish ware. Then Kshatriyas, we all know about Kshatriyas, a warrior caste. They've been quoted with warrior caste. This is the second highest caste in the Varna order. They were supposed to be rulers of the society. Ganasangha like those of Vaisali and Kapilavastu referred to as the Sakyas, Lichhabis and Mallas. They were group of old land collectivity. They were all Kshatriyas. The Sakyas, the Lichhabis, the Mallas were the Kshatriyas. And they were the labor class called as Dasas and Karmakaras. They are Sudras. Buddhist literature generally talks about only two groups in the Ganasanghas. Ganasangha दुईटा जातिर only विवरण दिया है गोटे है ब्राह्मण एवं आउटे है शूद्र मझिरे दुईटा जाति को छोड़ा है ब्राह्मण एवं शूद्र द हाईएस्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द सोसाइटी इज ब्राह्मणस एंड द लोएस्ट caste is Shudras. Then this Kshatriya clan practiced various kinds of marriage custom which includes cross cousin marriage. Then very proud of their lineage and status, the Sakya, Licchavis, Molla and other such clans jealousy regarded their rights of entry in their assemblies and their people were issue of their society. Then they were land teachers. Then the Brahmanas are the land teachers and thinkers. Some other are described as a taking to trade, preaching, trading and supervising agriculture, not cultivating agriculture. Then the Brahmanas mentioned in the contemporary text seem more like a caste group. Brahmana is one who is born as a Brahmana. He may change his profession, still he remains a Brahmana. He had the exclusive right of performing sacrifices. Satapatha Brahmana, from we know Satapatha Brahmana, contemporary Brahmanical text mention the following 4 important marks of a Brahmana: Brahmanical parentage, then suitable behavior, then attainment of fame and teaching of man. ये चारिटा गुण गोटे ब्राह्मण रहिबा बहुत जरूरी थिला. Embraced Buddhism. Many Brahmanas embraced Buddhism. It had been found that among early followers of the Buddha, the Brahmanas were present in large number. The Pali literature also indicates that Dasa Brahmana Jatakas were all told story about that. Then there is a 10th class of Brahmanas in that 6th century BC we have to source. Then Vaishya and the Gahapatis. The Brahmanical Varna system, Vaishya was the 3rd caste. They were the castle rearing, the merchants groups, the agriculture and trade. Retiring means master of the household. This continuity of older cultivated land with familiar labor of the labor slaves and servants. Then Pali text use another term, Kutumbika. Kutumba means householder. They shown as a rich landowners dealing with corn or money transactions. The Vaishya were the agriculturalists. They were the rice cultivated people. And among them there is a Seti, literally means a person having the best. The Seti, Gahapati, refer to very rich merchants and bankers having close contacts with the king. And Anantapindika, who donated the Jivana Srivasti to the Buddha, was once of the Seti. All the money have. The second is the Seti, the first is the king, in the wealthy and richest person of Mahajanapada. Their profession of bankers flourished with the invention of coin money, coin called Satamana and Kahapana. The coin is called Satamana and Karsapana. Then are mentioned in the contemporary literature. Then Sudras, the last category, and the Sudras were lowest caste in the Brahmanical order. This was the duty was service to the other 3 castes. Brahmana, Kshatriya एवं शूद्र मानकर जो माने सेवा करुथिले एवं जो मानको युद्ध रे बंदी करिकरी अणा हितला से मानको शूद्र कैटेगरी रखा हितला. से माने समाज रो बा अन्य 3 श्रेणी रो 3 वर्ग रो लोक मानको सेवा करिवे, तांको घरे काम करिवे, जमी रे चाष करिवे. द टर्म दलित, slaves, कर्मकारास and Dharma Sutras also Sankirna Jati. They were called as Sankirna Jati. There is an inter-caste marriage. They are pursued Sankirna Jati. Dasayudha is frequently mentioned in contemporary literature. Dasas, Karmakas and Kashakas were the source of labor supply of rural areas. In Chandalsas, describe also a Sutra family. And Pukas, Nisadas and Benas. Then wandering ascetics, condition of women. Property was inherited from father to son. During this time, the son was the head and not the daughter. There the power of property was given to the son, not to daughter. King are punishing the violation of property and of the family. The maid slave like wife was considered idle wife. Then wife was producing legitimate heirs. However, there were a larger number of women who spent their lives laborer for their masters and mistresses. 6th century BC रे नारी मानक अवस्था सम्मान भलो थिला, किंतु से माने गृहिणी थिले गृहर सबु काम तांको उपरे थिला दे वर परमानेंटली इन द चार्ज ऑफ मैन फादर ब्रदर एंड सन एवं सबु बेले गोटे मेल पाखरे से माने डिपेंडेंट थिले with a father brother or son or husband. If they joined sangha they were treated as inferior to men. Then economy, agriculture produce food not sustain non-agriculture. Then factors in the growth of food producing economy, cereals like rice, barley, wheat, millets. Then Sutni Patal not be slaughtered because they constitute a source of grain. Relation of castle wealth of agriculture, 6th century BC रे गाय मान को मांस आकार रे कोटा जाउन थिला एवं राइस प्रोड्यूसिंग इकोनॉमी वाज सप्लीमेंटेड बाय डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ हंटिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स द रूरल इकोनॉमी कास्ट एंड कम्युनिटीज टिपिकल विलेज लाइफ थिला तब अर्बन इकोनॉमी रे ट्रेडर्स एंड क्राफ्ट्समैन हु प्रोड्यूस गुड्स फॉर ए वाइडर मार्केट ऑन ए लार्जर स्केल व्यवसाय माने बहुत गुडे जिनिस आनी की बिक्री करथिले लाभवान होथिले सरप्लस फूड प्रोडक्शन बहुत गुडे शस्य थिला शस्यागार रे शस्यागार पूरा भरी जाइथिला शस्य रे क्राफ्ट स्पेशलाइजेशन बढ़े माने अति उत्कृष्ट धरणर बढ़े काम करथिले ट्रेड बा व्यवसाय माने सुरुखुरु रे चलुथिले सेंटर ऑफ एक्सचेंज मार्केट बा बाजार विनिमय बहुत बढ़िया थिला यूज ऑफ मेटालिक मनी पॉइंट गुडा को बहु भावरे प्रचलित थिला यूज ऑफ मेटालिक मनी देन पॉलिटिकल रिलेशन इंश्योरिंग ऑर्डर राजा एवं प्रजा भितरे बहुत बढ़िया सुसंबंध थिला देन ए लिटरेट सोसाइटी एवं शिक्षित गोष्ठी अद्भुत हैला ब्राह्मण माने गुरुकुल रे क्षत्रिय मानकु शिक्षा दउथिले then urban economy report found two important features first industry with a larger number of professions and craftsmen urban economy रे बहुत गुडा फैक्ट्री बसिथिला सेति भितरे क्राफ्ट्समैन माने बाहरुथिले एवं इंपोर्ट एवं एक्सपोर्ट होथिला इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल सी रूट एवं लैंड रूट रे खाद्य शस्य जोथिला then urban occupation those connected with productive activities and those which had nothing to do with production of such page number 288 the clay working like pottery terracotta figurines molding and to some extent also brick making etc carpentry and wood working metal working stone working glass industry bone and ivory working then trade and trade routes linked with the growth of specialization of crafts in the development of trade in the day trade inland and foreign fairly brisk इटा उडा को जोथला इटा से माने वाणिज्य व्यवसाय करथिले सिल्क्स मुस्लिन अमूर परफ्यूम्स इवोरी एंड इवोरी वर्क्स हाथी दांत एवं हाथी दांत रे निर्मित जिनिस देन ज्वेलरी एटसेट्रा they travel long distance up to down great rivers of the country and even Burma and Sri Lanka from Tamaluk in the east and from Broch in the west inland. They followed certain well-established routes. One of the ran from Sravasti to Pratisthana and other linked to Sravasti with Rajagriha and third stick along base of Himalaya from Takshashila to Sravasti and found connection of Kashi with the ports of western coast. जलपथरे मध्य बहुत बढ़िया सेमान को वाणिज्य व्यवसाय होतला गेज ऑफ वाटर वाज ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू क्लोज वाटर सिस्टम चली जेतला कॉइन रो व्यवहार हेतला नाउ द ऑर्डिनरी मीडियम एक्सचेंज वाज कॉइन कॉल्ड कहपना एंड खसपना इट वाज ए कॉपर एंड सिल्वर एंड मेक्स वर पॉइंट ऑन इट्स मर्चेंट्स ऑफ रूल्स गिल्ड्स guaranteeing standards bank were unknown and surplus money was either converted into ornaments or hoarded in jars and buried in the ground जेते बेले अधिक पैसा हे उतला से माने माटी पात्र भितरे रखी की माटी रे पोती दउथले किंबा ज्वेलरी आकार सेटा को देह रे पिंधुथिले एवं बैंक न थिला से टाइम रे तबात अछि that is the Mahajanapadas that unit 11 Buddhism Jainism and other religious ideas we know all about Buddhism and Jainism during 6th century BC there is a political condition during 6th century BC is a 16 Mahajanapadas and the religious condition of 6th century BC is called as the growth of Jainism and Buddhism in 6th century BC in India. was an important stage in Indian history as far as the development of a new religious is concerned. In this period, we notice a growing opposition to the ritualistic orthodox ideas of the Brahmanas. This ultimately led to the emergence of many orthodox religious movements. Firstly, it deals with the factors that were responsible for the emergence of growth of these orthodox ideas. Then it goes on to explain how the Buddha and Mahavira try to find a solution in their own ways to end human sufferings. मनुष्यर केमिति दुख जीव एवं से निर्वाण प्राप्ति करि पारिबे मोक्ष प्राप्ति करि पारिबे से विषय रे 6th सेंचुरी बीसी रे महावीर एवं बुद्धंकर आविर्भाव होइतिला द राइज ऑफ न्यू रिलीजियस आइडियाज द नूतन चिंतार अद्भुत होइतिला द वैदिक रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस हैव बिकम कॉमन्स वैदिक टाइम रे बहुत गुडा असुविधा होइतिला समाज रे had become full of meaningless ceremonies. Sacrifices and rituals increased and became more elaborate and expensive with the breakup of communities. The participation in these practices also became restricted and as such irrelevant to many sections in the society. The growing importance of sacrifices and rituals established a domination of Brahmanas in society. Brahmana मानकर प्रतिपत्ति बढ़ी चली थिला एवं बलि प्रथा थिला एवं बहुत गुड़े अनावश्यक पूजा पद्धति थिला जेउथिरे कि साधारण लोक माने खर्चांत होतले तली तलान थेक होतले एवं सब बेले पूजा पार्वण रे तांकू दान दिया होतला एवं सेति पई लोक माने किछि नुवा जिनिस चाहुतले सेही टाइम रे 6th सेंचुरी ड्यूरिंग 6th सेंचुरी बीसी जैनिज्म एवं बुद्धिज्म आसिला. The contemporary economic and political developments, on the other hand, helped the emergence of a new social group which acquired considerable economic power. Gana Sanghas, path to social status, they attacked the Vaishyas to their folds. And Buddhism was founded. Then Gautam Buddha, who had been given the name Siddhartha by his parents, his father was Suddhodana. Then the chief of Sakya clan and his mother was Maya or Maya Devi or Mahamaya. Kolian clan, he was born in the Lumini Grove or Lumini Garden, modern Romania in Nepal, Terai region. We know this enough as ascribed pillar of Asoka. The date of birth of the Buddha is 566 BCE. Through this life was spent in royal splendor. He failed to attribute his mind. A tradition described he was deeply affected by the sight of an old man, a sick person, a dead body and a aesthetic. गोटे बुद्ध व्यक्ति, गोटे दुर्बल व्यक्ति, गोटे मृत व्यक्ति एवं लास्ट को सन्यासी गोटे देखि कि तांको माइंड चेंज हो जितला. ए मिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ कास्ट एंड दिस फेल ऑन हिम. In order to find a solution to the primacy of mankind, he left home at the age of 29. घर छाड़ी देथिले age of 29 रे. He spent 6 years as a wandering ascetic. 6 वर्ष काल से बुलिले from a sage named Olora Koloma. गोटे सन्यासी को से बेटी थिले तांको ना थिला अलरा कलम. से तांको उपनिषद शिक्षा देथिले किंतु गौतम बुद्धंक मन मानि न थिला. ताबा से चली जाइथिले and बहुत जगह बुली. Ultimately avoiding this he went to Uruvela near modern Bodhgaya. Bodhgaya रा Uruvela गोटे जगह थिला गया. ताबाद बुद्धंक नारे बुद्धगया हैला. On the banks of Niranjana river sat under a people tree. बोधि ट्री हैला. ताबाद बुद्ध जेते बेले बोध पाइले ज्ञान पाइले नूतन ज्ञान पाइले सेते बेले से ट्री हेगला बोधि ट्री. He attained the supreme knowledge and enlightenment on the 49th day. 49 दिनों से कठिन तपस्या कला बाद तांकु ज्ञान प्राप्ति हैला. He was called as the Buddha, as enlightened one. From here a proceeding to the Deer Park at Sarnath. ताबा से Deer Park Sarnath को बोले वाराणसी रे अछि एवं फास्ट पांचटी ब्राह्मण को से तांको शिक्षा देले दीक्षा देले. से पांचटी ब्राह्मण ना अछि अश्वजीत, उपाली, मोगलान, सरिपुट्टा एवं आनंद. He laid the foundations of the Buddhist Sangha. सेटा को हमें को धर्म चक्र प्रवर्तन, turning of the wheel of law. He preached most of the sermons as Sravasti. Then Ananta Pindika, the rich merchant of Shravasti, became its followers. Ananta Pindika कोई गोटे बहुत बड़ा धनी व्यवसायी थिले से बुद्धिस्ट हेले श्रावस्ती रो became its followers and made liberal donations to the Buddhist order. बहुत गुड़ाए दान देइथिले. Soon he started visiting various places like Sarnath, Mathura, Rajgir, Goya, Patliputra. Kings like Bimbisar, Rajasatru of Magadha, Prasanjit of Kosala, Udayana of Kosami, कपिलावस्तु निज पैतृक घर भी जाइथिले एवं तांको फोस्टर मदर तांकर मौसी मां थिले जो गौतमी बा माया देवी सॉरी महामाया एंड हिज सन राहुल टू हिज फेथ एवं तांको पुत्र राहुल से मध्य बौद्ध धर्म ग्रहण करथिले एवं एट द एज ऑफ 80 वर्ष बयस रे 486 बीसी रे कुशीनगर कसिया इन दोरिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन उत्तर प्रदेश कैपिटल ऑफ मल्लस रे से देह त्याग करथिले महापरिनिर्वाण कुआ जे सेटा. Let us now examine the teaching which became popular. तब तांको टीचिंग विषय रे हम जानिबा समस्त जानि छु तांको टीचिंग विषय रे. We have know all these things. We have just discussed about this teaching. First is the four noble truth. Then second is a eightfold path or Ashtanga Marga. The world is full of suffering. संसार दुखमय दुखर कारण रही दुखर कारण होछि कामना कामनार विनाश रे दुखर विनाश एवं निर्वाण प्राप्ति थ्रू अष्टांग मार्ग द्वारा. That is called the world is full of suffering. All suffering have a cause. Desire, ignorance and attachment are the cause of sufferings. The sufferings could be removed by destroying its causes. That is called through Ashtanga Marga. Finding the right view, right aim, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness and right concentration. And Buddhism laid great emphasis on law of karma. Karma phala upare se vishwas karuthile. Every individual is the maker of his own destiny. जे निजे कर्म करिवो ता बाजे की फल मिलिवो. कर्म न कले किछि हेबनी. पाठ न पढिले पाठ हेबनी. तो जत्ते के भी हमको मिलुछि हम कर्म फल जोगु मिलुछि कोइ की से कहउथिले जदि हमें किछि पाप करबानी हेले हम पुनर्जन्म हेबनी से कहउथिले एवं हमें मोक्ष प्राप्ति करबा. इफ इज निर्वाण द अल्टीमेट गोल इन द लाइफ ऑफ मैन. आउ थरे ए पृथ्वी पृष्ठ रे धरा पृष्ठ रे जन्म नेबानी एवं एई संसारमय जंजाल रे घांटी हेबानी बोली कहउथिले. It means the shedding of all desire and ending of suffering which finally leads to the freedom from rebirth. Did not believe in the existence of soul. आत्मा ऊपर से विश्वास करनथिले. He emphasized on the spirit of love. प्रेम से विश्वास करथले. Love could be expressed on all living beings. सेति पय से नॉन किलिंग ऊपर विश्वास करथले. अहिंसा परम धर्म कहथले. बुद्धंक पाठ महात्मा गांधी मध्य नैथिले. अहिंसा सत्य एवं सत्याग्रह रे से विश्वास करथले महात्मा गांधी. सेमिति बुद्ध मध्य प्रथमे अहिंसा ऊपर तांकर थिला spirit of love through the principle was well understood. It was not emphasized on much in Jainism. Evan an individual should pursue the middle path for both sever extreme as well as luxurious life has to be avoided. लग्जरियस लाइफ रो हमको हटी की हमें सिंपल लाइफ अति साधारण भाव रे जीवन यापन करबा बुद्ध सिखौतिले. टीचिंग ऑफ द बुद्ध पुट फॉरवर्ड सीरीज ऑफ चैलेंज टू द एक्सट्रीम ब्राह्मणिकल आइडियाज एवं ब्राह्मण मान को प्रतिपत्ति लोप करिबारे तांकर मुख्य अवदान थिला. द बुद्ध लिबरल एंड डोमेस्टिक अप्रोच क्विकली अटैच पीपल ऑफ ऑल सेक्शंस. His attack on caste system से जाति प्रथा मानु नथिले. सुप्रीमेसी ऑफ ब्राह्मण्स वाज वेलकम्ड बाय द पीपल ऑफ लोअर ऑर्डर्स. एवं सेति पई गरीब श्रेणी रो लोक माने बौद्ध धर्म को समस्त अति आदर करी सब बुद्धिस्ट जेतिले. इन बुद्धिस्ट सर्वेशन ले वंस गॉड गुड डीड. जदि भलो काम करिवो ताले तुम निजर भलो हेबो कि से कहथिले. एवं निर्वाण प्राप्ति हेबो. निर्वाण मीन्स मोक्ष. The Buddha rejected the authority of the Vedas. Vedas से चारि वेद को से मानु नथिले. ऋग साम यजुर अथर्व वेद ऋग वेद बा वैदिक एज बा अर्ली वैदिक लेटर वैदिक एज को मानु नथिले. से that another sacrifice of gods बलि प्रथा मानु नथिले. Watch away in sin prayer to any priest do no any good to a sinner. एवं प्रार्थना को मध्य मानुथिले बुद्धिज्म in a very short period emerged into a organized religion of Buddha. It was mandated in Sutta Pitaka, page number 301. First para, the Sutta Pitaka consists of 5 sections, Nikayas, the religious discourse and sayings of the Buddha. The 5th section contains the Jataka tales, the previous past stories of the Buddha. Then the Vinaya Pitaka contains the rules of the monastic discipline. Then third is the Abhidharma Pitaka, contains the philosophical ideas of the teaching of the Buddha. It is written in the form of question and answers. Then, even during the lifetime of the founder, Buddhism was accepted by large section of people. For example, the people of Magadha, Kosala, Kosambi, and embraced Buddhism. The republics of Sakya, Vajjis, Mallas also followed the process. Later on, Asoka and Kanishka, also Harsha, Thanaswar, the 3 kings, the great Asoka, the Kusana king Kanishka, and the king Harsha of Thanaswar embraced Buddhism, and it was spread to the Central Asia, West Asia, and Sri Lanka. This appeal of Buddhism to a large section of population was because of the following factors. That is, emphasis on practical morality. Personality of Buddha, Buddha का व्यक्तित्व से उन्हें अनुप्राणित थे ये थे. Personality of Buddha और practical morality. The ideas of social equality, समानता, समाते समान, जाति प्रथा उद्धरे से थे. जाति प्रथा को मानना थे. Then merchants like Antapindika and porters like Amrapali accepted the faith. एवं व्यवसाय श्रेणीर लोक माने बुद्धिस्ट होते. देन यूज ऑफ पॉपुलर लैंग्वेज पाली अधम अवधि भाषा तांको मुख्य भाषा थिला. सेही भाषा रे लोकल लोक माने बुझी पार नथिले, सेति पई एटा बेसी पॉपुलर ही थिला. देन पैट्रोनेज राजा माने जे हेतु बौद्ध धर्म रे घोषित होइथिले, सेति पई प्रजा माने मध्य राजा मानकु देखि कि प्रजा माने मध्य संतुष्ट है कि बुद्धिस्ट होइथिले. देन इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ संघ तांको इंस्टीट्यूशन तांको असेंबली बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, धम्मम शरणम गच्छामि एवं संघम शरणम गच्छामि. I salute to Buddha, I salute to Dhamma, and I salute to Sangha. Sangha means an assembly, a group of bhikkhus to preach or teaching all the peoples about Buddhism. Instead of Sangha helped organize the spread of Buddhism effectively. The Sangha was the religious order of the Buddhists. It was a well-organized and powerful institution which popularized Buddhism. Its membership was open to all persons. सबु जाति प्रथा ऊर्ध्वरे above 15 years of age, 15 वर्षर ऊपर बयसर लोक मानकु एठी ताको संघरे शामिल करा होतला. फेवर ऑफ एडमिटिंग वुमेन, बुद्ध किंतु नारी मानकु ताको संघरे देबा पई मना करथिले. ताबात आनंद ताको शिष्य सेटा एडमिट कले वुमेन मानकु बा नारी मानकु. देन फोस्टर मदर महाप्रजापति गौतमी मध्य ए संघरे शामिल होइथिले. ऑन एडमिशन द monks had to ceremonially shave their hair. जो माने बुद्धिस्ट होतिले से माने केमिति रहउतिले, shave their head and wear yellow or saffron robes. They were expected to go on daily round in order to preach Buddhism. बौद्ध धर्म प्रचार करथिले एवं शिक्षादान करथिले. ड्यूरिंग 4 months of the rainy season, 4 मास से माने बसिकी मेडिटेशन करथिले एवं आउ जति 8 मास थिला से 8 मास रे से माने शिक्षा दउथिले. The Sangha also promoted education among people. Unlike Brahmanism, people with different orders of the society had entry to education. Naturally, the non-Brahmins who were deprived of education got access to education in Buddhism. And ब्राह्मण कास्ट रे जेते बेले गुरुकुल थिला सेते बेले क्षत्रिय माने ही शिक्षा अर्जन करथिले. किंतु बौद्ध टाइम रे संघरे सबु जाति सबु धर्म एवं वर्गर लोक मानकु शिक्षा मिलला. सेति में समस्त आकृष्ट होइथिले बौद्ध धर्म नेबा पई. The Sangha was governed by democratic principles and was empowered to enforce discipline among its members. Then there is a Buddhist council. According to tradition, shortly after the death of Buddha, first Buddhist council was held in 483 BC in the Saptapani cave near Rajagriha. in Magadha. Mahakashyapa presided over the assembly. All the teachings of Buddha were divided into two Pitakas, the Bina Pitakas and Sutta Pitakas. Then second council was held at Vaisali 383 BCE. The monks of Vaisali and Patliputra had accepted certain rules which were declared as satanic to the teachings of the Buddha by the monks of Tosabi and Avanti. The council failed to bring about a compromise between the two grouping groups, Satyavadins and Mahasanghikas. Then the third council held at Patliputra during the region of Asoka the Great, under the chairmanship of Moggaliputta Tissa. In the council, philosophical interpretation of the doctrines of the Buddha were collected into third Pitakas called as Abhidharma Pitakas. Attempt was made in this council to free the Buddhist order from deception and information. Heretical monks numbering 60,000 were expelled from the orders. Then the fourth council was held during the reign of Kanishka in Kashmir, Kundala Vana Vihara in Kashmir. It was a gathering of Hinayanists of North India. In compiled three commentaries, Vivastas of the three Pitakas, Sutta Pitakas, Bina Pitakas and Abhidharma Pitakas. Then Buddhist schools, there is a second council held at Vaisali. Buddhist order was split into two schools, Tharavadins and Mahasanikas. Tharavadins and Mahasanikas. Then there is Jainism. After a long period, Buddhism has also declined. Then Jainism was started. We have a 23rd and 24th Tirthankars. According to Jaina tradition, 23rd Tirthankars, Parshvanath was the son of King Asvasena of Varanasi and his queen Bhama. Parshvanath abandoned the throne at the age of 30 and became an ascetic. He received enlightenment after 84 days of penance. He died at the age of 100, nearly 250 years before Mahavira. 23rd Tirthankar हिसाब रे हमें पार्श्वनाथ को नहीं था एवं फास्ट तीर्थंकर होचंती ऋषभ एवं महावीर was the 24th Tirthankar was a Bardhaman Mahavira. He was born in Kundagrama, Vasukunda Kuanti, a suburb of Vaisali, the present day Muzaffarpur district, Bihar, in 540 BCE. His father Siddhartha was a Jantrikas and Kshatriyakar. His mother was a Trisala, the Lichavi princess. He was given a good education and was married to Yashoda. He had a daughter, Vaha, Priyadarshika. At the age of 30, he left his home and became an ascetic. He wore a single garment which he abandoned after 30 months and began to wander as a naked monk. For 12 years, he lived the life of an ascetic, following severe austerities. In the 13th year of his asceticism, at the age of 42, he attained the supreme knowledge. 42 वर्ष तांको एटा टाइम रे तांको ज्ञान प्राप्ति हला. He was later known as Mahavira, the supreme hero, or Jina, the conqueror. He was also held as a Nigrantha, or free from bonds, Tirthankaras or ford maker. Then he wandered for 8 months in a year and spent 4 months for the rainy season in some famous town of eastern India. He often visited the courts of Bimbisara and Ajasatru. He died at Pawa near Rajagriha in present day Patna at the age of 72 in 468 BCE. Teachings of Mahavira. There is a 4 teachings of Parshvanath. That is called truth, that is called Satya, non-violence, Ahimsa, non-possession, Asteya, and not to receive anything which was not voluntarily given, Aparigraha. Then, 5th is Brahmacharya, which is joined by Mahavira. And Mahavira have a 3 Ratna, that is called 3 jewels of Jainism: right belief, right knowledge, and right action. Then, Jivana, Jivasya, Jivana. Life is the basic element of any living beings. Mahavira advocated a life of severe asceticism and extreme penance for the attainment of nirvana, the high spiritual state. Jodi ame ama sharir ko jetiki tarana deba ta hele je ki moksha prapti heba ki महावीर कहते एवं सबु जिनिस आत्मा अच्छी बोली कहते पंचयम धर्म कहला नॉन इंजुरी नॉन स्टीलिंग नॉन एडल्ट्री स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ एंड नॉन पोजेशन कहते अहिंसा सत्य अस्त्य अपरिग्रह एंड ब्रह्मचर्य देन food to the needy every day. He preached that the worshipper should not take to agriculture. Mahavira were continued in 14 old texts known as the Puravas. Puravas कहा जाता है and first council at Patliputra, Tirobhadra divided the Jaina canons into 12 vangas. This was accepted by the Svetambaras, however Digambaras. श्वेत वस्त्र जो मैंने धारण करते तांको श्वेतांबरस कहा जाए एवं जो मैंने नेकेड रोते एवं ओरिजिनालिटी जो वर्तमान महावीर को ओरिजिनल थिला तांको दिगंबरस कहा जाउथला एंड द सेकंड काउंसिल हेड एट बल्लावी न्यू एडिशन वर मेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ upangas minor sections among the 12 vangas the Achanga Sutra and the Bhagavati Sutra are the most important. Then development of Jainism, spread of Jainism. Mahavira had 11 disciples known as Gandharas, head of schools. Arya Sudharma was the only Gandharas who survived Mahavira and became the first Tirtha, chief precipitator of the Jaina order. He died 20 years after Mahavira dismissed. The Jaina order in the days of the late Nanda King was limited by two Theras, Kamuti Vijaya and Bhadrabahu. Sixth Thera was Bhadrabahu. Mahavira followed slowly spread over the whole country. In many regional royal patronage was bestowed upon Jainism. According to the Jaina tradition, Udain, the successor of Ajatasattu, was the devoted of Jaina. Jaina monks were seen to the banks of the river Indus when Alexander invaded India. Chandragupta Maurya was the follower of Jainism and he marched with Bhadrabahu to south and spread Jainism. During the early centuries of the Common Era, Mathura and Ujjain became great centers of Jainism. Prakrit, the Jaina religious literature, was also written in Ardha Magadhi, which is in place Sanskrit by Mahavira. Then Jaina councils. Towards the close of Chandragupta Maurya, rule of tribute, famine broke out in South Bihar, which lasted for 12 years. Bhadrabahu and his disciples migrated to Shravana Belagula in Karnataka. Other Jainas remained in Magadha with Tulabhadra as their leader. They summoned the council at Patliputra around 300 BC, in which Mahavira teachings were divided into 12 angas. Second Jaina council was held at Vallavi, Gujarat in 512 CE and was presided over the Devaradhi Hima Sarmana. He proposed to the collection the secret text and write them down systematically. There is a 12 angas down in the first council. Then sects. 14 Pauravas were lost. Then Digambaras and Svetambaras. Then the sky clad or naked is called Digambaras and Svetambaras is called clad in white. During the later year, other spirits took place among both the sections. Then other, that is not important. Then we have to start Unit 12, adding another invasion. On one of the previous units, you learned about the Janapada and Mahajanapadas. During 6th century BC, India's northwest was a site of conflict between various principalities. The Kambojas, Gandharas and Matrakas fought with each other. Since there was an absence of an overseeing powerful kingdom, the principality of northwest could not be organized into the one kingdom. ସେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ରାଜାଟେ ନଥିଲେ ଯାହାକି ଦକ୍ଷତା ଥିଲା ସବୁ ଯାହାକୁ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଇ ଟାଇମରେ Achaemenian kings of Persia were attached to the region. Achaemenian ruler Darius invaded at the annexed Punjab, Indus River and Sindh. At the time land Iran had a total of 28 Tatapis এবং সেই টাইমরে 28 Tatapis ଥିଲା known as 20 province. Pureta province বা Pureta দেশ ଥିଲା. The Indian Tatapi included Sindh, the northwest frontier and part of Punjab that lay to the west of Indus. It paid a hefty tribute in gold, which around 1/3 of the total revenue Iran received from its Asian provinces. Then sources, we know Alexander invasion of India from the sources. Arrian and Critias Ruptus, formal biography of Plutarch, a whole book of Diodorus, Bibliotheca, and sequential passage in the later books of Strabos, geography, then history of Alexander, and based on Ptolemy's, Aristobulus, Nepios, and Aristophanes. Ptolemy, Aristobulus, and Nepios were all eyewitnesses to the campaign of Alexander. Then Arrian deals with the India and the voyage of Alexander trip to Southern Ocean, and is based on source by writers was Aristophanes, Megasthenes, and Nepios, Alexander of Macedonia. Page number 315. There was a distinction in the ancient Greek world between those who lived south of Mount Olympus and those who lived up north of Macedonians. Greek दुईटा देश को नहीं कि थिला गोटे माउंट ओलंपस साइड रे थिला एवं गोटे मैसिडोनियंस थिला एवं दुईटा को मिसे कि मैकडोन्स और ग्रीक वर्ड ओरिजिन सेटा होईची मैसिडोनिया कहा गला sometimes called Macedon. It was an ethnically mixed region in the ancient past. एवं Alexander was born in July 356 BCE. He was son of Philip II, the ruler of Macedonia. By 337 BC, Philip II had consolidated his control over the Greeks by creating a union of Greek states called the League of the Corinth. Alexander 356 BC रे जन्म नहीं थिले एवं तांको बापा फिलिप सेकेंड ग्रीक वीर मानक को एकाठी करिकी गोटे असेंबली करथिले लीग ऑफ द कोरिन्थ कहा जे ताकू द यूनियन वाज बाउंड टुगेदर अंडर द हेजेमनी ऑफ द मैसिडोनियन किंग एवं राजा फिलिप सेकेंड कर सांगरे माने थिले समस्ते एवं फिलिप अनाउंस हिज इंटेंशन टू इन्वेड पर्सिया ताबाद से कोन कले ना पर्सिया आक्रमण करबा पई से चाहुथिले ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम पर्सिया related to India and Sindh was called as India, the border of India or called as India continent. For having faced suffering and destruction to their temple during the Persian War and related the Greek cities Asia Minor, he was assassinated in 336 BC. एवं फिलिप सेकंड का हत्या ही करागला 336 BC रे. Upon his death, Greek states revolt from the Macedonian rule. एवं जो गोटे गठबंधन थिला संगठन थिला सेटा छिनी गला तापात अलेक्जेंडर तांको पुओ इन्वेडेड पर्सिया 334 BC पर्सिया आक्रमण कले एवं माइटी आर्मी एंड डिफीटेड किंग डारियस पर्सिया रो राजा थिले से टाइम रे डारियस एके नारायण सिटिंग ट्रांस वार तांको काजरे से कहिसंती इंडिया वाज ए पार्ट ऑफ द इरानियन एम्पायर ईरान रो सेटा अंश थिला इंडिया अलेक्जेंडर इंटरेस्ट इन इंडिया वाज इनएविटेबल रिजल्ट सेते बेले इंडिया को सुनार पक्षी को होता सुनार चढ़ई को होतला सेति पई सबु वैदेशिक शत्रु माने चाहुतले जे इंडिया को निज दखल रखिबा पई एट द कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ पर्शियन एम्पायर एरियन सेज दैट अलेक्जेंडर वाज मोर ओबिशियस देन दैट हैड दे हैवड जील टू कॉन्कर इंडिया एवं अलेक्जेंडर गुटे एम्बिशियस राजा थिले सेति पई से भारत को अधिकार करबा पई चाहुतले हैड इट नॉट बीन सो ही वुड नॉट हैव क्रॉस्ड इंडस रिवर किंतु एते सहज नथिला सिंधु नदी को ता बाउंड्री थिला सेला पार हे कि इंडिया सेवा पई पडुथला एरिना वाज सिचुएटेड टू द वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड दिस टाइम वाज अंडर द पोजीशन ऑफ द पर्शियंस एवं सेटा पर्शियन मानकर अंडर रे थिला इंडस वाज द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट बाउंड्री ऑफ डारियस फर्स्ट एम्पायर among these many victories his campaign in India was most noteworthy in 3 to 7 BC Alexander marched from Bactria गोटे देश इंडो ग्रीक जेते बेले मिनांडर एवं डेमेंटियंस पडू हमें बैक्टीरिया कोई गोटे देश अछि सेटा पार है कि से हिंदुकुश पर्वतमाला दे कि से एडवांस टुवर्ड्स प्लेन्स ऑफ इंडस one section of this advantage force secured communication route of the हिंदुकुश एवं भारत को जलपथ रे भास्को डा गामा जदी आविष्कार करथिले स्थल पथ दे कि खास करी अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट आसीथिले स्थल पथ दे कि भारत को आउ केही वैदेशिक शत्रु ताको आगटु आसी नथिले से अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट सेति पे ताको द ग्रेट पाजे द ग्रेट अलेक्जेंडर रास्ता तयारी करथिले भारत को आसीबा पई एवं ताको परे सब वैदेशिक शत्रु माने भारत को गोटे परे गोटे आसी एठी बसदा स्थापन करथिले हिंदुकुश and other section under own control Sevat Tavaswat Valley He subdued Swat after fighting first battle with the people. Swat ro raja को हरेइथिले से ताबाद in 326 BC रे battle of Hydaspes पुरु राजा पुरु झेलम एवं चेनाब रो मध्यवर्ती अंचल रे राजत्व करथिले झेलम एंड चेनाब फेमस ऑफ पुरुष रूल किंगडम बिटवीन झेलम एंड चेनाब नदी मध्यवर्ती अंचल the confirmation between Purus and Alexander has become legendary हमें पौराणिक हिसाब रे ता मानि थाउ the confirmation between Purus and Alexander became legendary coming back to the Indus Alexander first it a met and Ambi होचंती तक्षशिला रो राजा से पुरु सहित न मिसिकी अलेक्जेंडर को निमंत्रण देथिले इंडिया को आसीबा पई बोथ अम्भी एंड पुरुष टुगेदर कुड हैव डिफीटेड अलेक्जेंडर बट दे कुड नॉट बी पुट टू जॉइंट फ्रंट किंतु से माने अलग अलग थिले सेति पई अलेक्जेंडर को परास्त करिबा एते सहज नथिला अम्भी डिड नॉट अपोज हिम अम्भी किछि कोलेनी जते बेले अलेक्जेंडर आसीथिले भारत को अधिकार करिबा पई Alexander decided to leave his kingdom in peace but appointed Philip as a satrap. Tabat both Ambi and Purus Ambi did not oppose him, rather welcomed him with a lavish gift. Alexander decided to leave his kingdom in peace but appointed Philippus as satrap and left his garrison here. He was keen to meet Purus who had refused to submit. Ambi तांको बसता स्वीकार करथिले किंतु पुरु जे कि झेलम एवं चेनाब रविर मध्यवर्ती अंचल राजा थिले से केबे भी अलेक्जेंडर को बसता स्वीकार कर नथिले सेति पई हाइदास्पेस युद्ध होइतिला 326 BC रे weather conditions were very unfavorable as the entire region was covered under snow बरफपात होतला से टाइम रे फेसिंग ग्रेट एडवर्सिटी managed to cross झेलम नदी देवी की अलेक्जेंडर युद्ध करथिले इम्प्रेस्ड बाय मिलिटरी पावर एवं तांको सैन्य माननको पाई से सबले गर्वित थिले अलेक्जेंडर विक्ट्री वाज माउंटेनियस एंड इट्स सेलिब्रेशन इज फाउंडिंग ऑफ टू सिटीज एवं जेते बेले पुरु राजा को से तो से जय करथिले सेते बेले से दुईटा नगर प्रतिष्ठा करथिले गोटे हला निकाई एवं बुसिफेला तांको प्रिय अश्व बा घोड़ा बुसिफेलस को नारे नामित करा जितला एवं कॉइन बा मुद्रा संकलन करा हितला then Alexander continued his march and crossed Chenab and Ravi area of Hydaspes and defeated many principalities and fought a favorable battle with the Kathas of Punjab रे काथस वंशर लोक माने थिले तांकु भी से युद्ध रे परास्त करथिले thereafter he informed by a nearby king about the might of the Nandas एवं से नंद राजा मानक विषय रे किछि सुनिथिले जे मगधरे नंद राजा माने राजत्व करथिले बेगरी ईस्ट ऑफ द 20 नदी रो पूर्व सीमा रे अछि इच इंफॉर्मेशन वाज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय पुरुष Alexander wanted to proceed but his troops refused to advance किंतु तांकर सैन्य माने आ युद्ध करिवार आशा रे नथिले सेति पई अलेक्जेंडर को बाध्य होई कि घुंचिबा पई पड़िथिला he handled all the country between Jhelum and peace to Purus एवं पुरु एवं अलेक्जेंडर को गोटे स्टोरी अछि छोटिया स्टोरी ते अछि जेमिति जेते बेले पुरु राजा को से हरे थिले राजा को पचारि थिले कोन करबी तुम सहित कहि तो सेते बेले राजा पुरु कहिथिले ट्रीट मी एज द किंग मते मु राजा मते खंडारे मुंड को दुई खंड कर दियो नाले मते सेमिति सम्मान रो सह छाड़ी दियो मु सम्मान सह पहुंचीबा पई चाहे कहिथिले तो अलेक्जेंडर को सामना रे कोनोसी वीर नथिले पृथ्वी रे जे माने के एमिति स्वच्छ भाव रे दुई पद कहिथिबे तो सेटा खुशी है कि अलेक्जेंडर हगिंग कथिले एवं तांको फ्रेंड हिसाब रे नैथिले एवं सबु जहा तांको पाखर थिला सबु रिटर्न करथिले फेरस्त करथिले एवं ट्रीट मी एज ए फ्रेंड कहिथिले एवं से कहिथिले जेते बेले भी असुविधा हेबो सेते बेले मते टिके मने पकैबो मु तुमको तो बोले सुविधा करबी असुविधा रो बंचेबी कहिथिले तो Jhelum and Chenab fought his last important campaign against the Malavas ताबाद लास्ट युद्ध थिला अलेक्जेंडर को मालवा सहित बा मलई the Republican states of Malavas and Khudrakas wished to form a confederacy against him एवं मालवस एवं खुद्रकस को की दुई गोष्ठी एकाठी है कि अलेक्जेंडर को परास्त करबा पई चाहिथिले किंतु सेमाने भी परास्त हेतिले अलेक्जेंडर को सैन्य एवं अलेक्जेंडर को पराक्रम देखिरि also could not stand anywhere before him. It is believed that during the last days of Alexander in Babylon, Chanakya and Chandragupta Maurya along with Purus attempt to unify the Punjab. एवं जेतेबेले अलेक्जेंडर बेबीलोन रे थिले सेतेबेले चाणक्य जे कि चंद्रगुप्तंकर सेनापति बा अर्थशास्त्र रचयिता एवं पुरु जे कि झेलम एवं चेनापुर राजा से पंजाब को आउ थरे तांको राज्य रे शामिल करबा पई चाहिथिले लेटर द मौर्यस एस्टैब्लिश देमसेल्व्स एवं तापरे चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य अलेक्जेंडर को जो सेनापति थिले सेल्युकस निकाटर तांको परास्त करिकी मौर्य साम्राज्य स्थापना कला बेले पंजाब भी तांको सीमा रे थिला एवं सेल्युकस निकाटर को झियो को भी मध्य बाहा आइथिले सेल्युकस निकाटर 3-4 जगह तांको देइथिले 3 इयर्स आफ्टर हिज कैंपेन इंडिया अलेक्जेंडर को मृत्यु हैला 323 बीसी रे बेबीलोन रे एवं तांको मृत्यु बाद तांको जेति की जनरल माने थिले सेमान को भितरे वार हैला स्ट्रगल अमंग द Diodorus his successor was a period of the establishment of Hellenistic superiority in the region then Arians indicate लिखिचंती तांको विवरण से टू हमें पाऊ ascetic execution of Alexander the first part gives general description of India and based chiefly on the account of India by Megasthenes and Ethiopians then journey on Indus then southern part of the world with inevitable then the first part of Indica has been translated by J.W. McClendall it's richly supplemented with notes regarding history geography archaeology and the administration of Greek proper names with the Sanskrit originals. Then Megasthenes, there Indica, Nechios, Aryan, in the south Alexander, Cunningham and Enterprise, Patan, Nicobar, Hyderabad. Then Indus and Ganges time in India, Kashmir, India has been borrowed from Megasthenes' description. Then Aryan also spent some time in describing Patliputra, which is called the greatest city of Palimo-Bothra. Paul H. Cunningham said that Strabo and Pliny, that is called Patliputra. The Greeks have called it Palimo-Bothra. And Strabo and Pliny agree with Aryan in calling the people of Paliputra by the name Prasil, which modern writers have referred to as the Sanskrit, Prachya or Eastern. But Cunningham feels that Prasil, the Greek from the Palasa, which is the actual name of Magadha. Paliputra was the capital or Patliputra. Aryan writes about absence of slavery in India. Se somero dhara bibone tiketi deichanti. Setebele Kritodas kotha nathila. Modes of hunting elephants and course of gold digging, arms which he himself is sure about. Then Alexander's successor and Seleucus Nicator. About Seleucus Nicator. Then the conquered states were resorted to their rulers who accepted his authority. His territorial position were divided into 3 parts and placed under Greek governors. तांको सेनापति मान को गवर्नर्स ग्रीक गवर्नर्स कहउतला सेमान कर भितरे भाग हैला एनर्की जो माने स्ट्रांग थिले सेवन नेले तांको भितरु थिले सेल्युकस निकाटर एवं टोलमी सेल्युकस निकाटर वाज द helm of the strategy of Babylonia after being thrown out of Babylon and Antiochus recame it and once he reached Indus he came face to face with Seleucus Nicator एवं चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य को सहित तांकर युद्ध होइतला सेल्युकस निकाटर हारि जिथिले एवं तांकु 303 BCE ट्रीटी हेइतला संधि हेइतला अफगानिस्तान माकरान एवं बलूचिस्तान 3 टी जगह चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य को दियाइतला सेल्युकस निकाटर तांको झियो को चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य को सहित बाहा देथिले एवं चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य 500 हाथी तांकु गिफ्ट रे देथिले The friendly relations seems to have been established between Sandrocotus कहले ग्रीक रे चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य को Sandrocotus कहा जाए and the Seleucids in the Megasthenes spent time on the Chandragupta तब ग्रीक ambassador Megasthenes आसीथिले एवं हिंदिका रचना करथिले Diodorus Strabo Aryan friendly relations were carefully cultivated सब गुराए किछि धारा विवरणी Alexander invasion of India विषय देइछंती R.K. Mukherjee believes that his campaign in India were not an example of brilliant military achievements as he did not come face to face with any powerful Indian monarchs. तांको सामना सामनी केही भी परास्त करि पारथिले आर के मुखर्जी राधा कुमुद मुखर्जी कहछंती से जिनिस गुड़ाक एके नारायण मध्य नॉर्थ वेस्ट really that small states and principalities were no match to the discipline and organized campaign of Alexander. Chandragupta was quite to realize that importance of erecting a Hawk Empire. He went about the unit the whole of Punjab. तापाजी की चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य साम्राज्य स्थापना कला बेले पंजाब नॉर्थर्न इंडिया overwhelming the Nandapura को हटे थिले एवं he would not only added the southern states but also indicated the post catapults of area Arcosia and Rhodesia of Herumades which were ceded to Seleucus to Chandragupta. Then friendly contacts were maintained between Greeks and Indians. According to a Greek writer, Sathanas, Indian ruler Emitos wrote to Antiochus first of Syria to send him sweet wine, figs and sophists. बहुत बढ़िया सुसंपर्क थिला तांको भितरे. Then Diognetus from Ptolemy II of Egypt, मिस्र राजा मध्य तांको सहित फ्रेंडली रिलेशन थिला. तबाद मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कैसल एंड मैन इन द किंगडम ऑफ एंटियोचस II and his neighbors. एवं not only those his description of himself also को तांको ये लिखा है कि देवो नाम पिया पियादर्शी reflect the practice of definition current among Greek kings in the Hellenistic West. Cotilio and Megasthenes both refer to a state department looking after the welfare of foreigners. Then Alexander invasion also followed the establishment of Greek paramountcy in Bactria and in the region called the today of Afghanistan and Pakistan. एवं चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य अफगानिस्तान एवं पाकिस्तान पर्यंत तांको मौर्य साम्राज्य को विस्तार करथिले एवं यावन जो मानको फॉरेनर्स को जाय यावन को जाय फ्रॉम द क्वींस मिनांडर डेमेट्रियंस नो थ्रू हमें सबु जानू. Then inhabitants of Taxila, then Son River, Dan, Heliodorus was in view from the court of Antiochus, Indo-Greek kings in the court of the Indian king Bhagavadra. Then Alexander campaigned in the northwest India, brought his part of the war in direct contact with the Greek world. Alexander को भारत आगमन बाद ग्रीक सहित भारत रो सुसंबंध होइतिला एवं land and routes by sea opened up through his Greek merchants and Persians came to have access to the faraway lands. Greek settlements were established in his region, for example, Alexandria in the Kabul region, Bukhelphala of Jhelum and Alexandria in South Sindh. Alexander also initiated geographical exploration of the harbor and coast from the mouth of the Indus, that of the Euphrates. Then Indian chronology, the Greek accounts tells us about Indian practice such as sati, sale of goods in the marketplace of poor parents and good breed of oxen in 2 lakhs oxen were sent from India by Alexander to Macedonia. The Greek also found that Indian excelled in part of carpentry and they built brilliant chariots, boats and ships. That's all. This is a question hour. Ask me some question.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening. Buddhadev 483 रे डेथ करथिले कि?
Perhaps history is a mystery. तो प्रत्येक बही रे अलग अलग डेट थाए. एक्चुअली एग्जैक्ट डेट कहा को जणा नाही. से समय रे केही नथिले केही लेखिबा लोक नथिले सेटा हमें पाइनु कोनोसी सोर्सेस रे. तो perhaps maybe 866 or sorry 66 or 67 maybe. तो से डेट रे किछि नाही.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
जेउटा बुक्स रे अछि से इग्नो बुक्स रे जेउटा अछि सेटा लेखिबा कथा.
ठीक सर.
प्रत्येक बही रे अलग अलग ता डेट गुडा कथा है. Actually 566 or 567 is right. More than authors have recommended 566 or 567 BCE. Then next question.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
What is meaning of Pentecost?
Pentecost.
Pentecost.
In which topic? Pentecost. Chapter? Page number?
I think यूनिट सॉरी सर मेरे पास बुक नहीं है ना तो पेज नंबर 288
288. Paragraph? 288.
यूनिट 2 सर
Page number 288.
हाँ
In which line? Here the word.
सॉरी सर मेरे पास बुक नहीं है
Look dictionary.
सर
Look your dictionary.
नो
Can say page 288.
88
हाँ 288 तो
हाँ
केते नंबर कोउठी अछि
सर ମୋ ପାଖରେ ବୁକ୍ ନାହିଁ
अच्छा
ଆପଣ ପଢେଇଥିଲେ ସେଥିରୁ ଶୁଣିଥିଲି
अच्छा ओके
Pentecost
टाइप योर क्वेश्चन इन चैट बॉक्स
सर
चैट बॉक्स रे टाइप करके रखो
ओके सर
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन So, thank you. Class is over.
Thank you, sir.